Hi, my name is Brenna Hicks, also known as the Kid Counselor. I have a private practice in Tampa Bay, Florida. Today I would like to discuss some of the basic reasons that children misbehave. There's a large range of reasons why children may act out, but I always encourage parents to start with the most basic and see if that will alleviate the problem. So I would like to share with you the three main reasons why children misbehave as I have observed. But I'd like to start with a story. A few weeks ago, I was eating lunch out with my family, and three moms came in with 6 young children. My guess is all 6 of the children were under the age of 3. They had some toddlers and some infants. So as they were enjoying their lunch, the children became more and more disruptive, more and more cranky, more and more hard to handle. And as I was observing the lunch, I noticed that the parents were enjoying conversations with each other and not really acknowledging their children's needs. One of the major reasons that children will act out is that they are tired. And in this instance, it was about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and for young children, that is usually when they're taking naps. So my guess is most of them were just exhausted and they were struggling to maintain behavior when they were so tired. Another reason that I thought may be playing a factor is that children often act out when they're hungry. And again, 1 o'clock is quite late for little ones to have lunch. So in that instance, I was actually considering if it was a combination of fatigue and hunger, which then leads to even further problems when there's more than one involved. A third reason that children act out is that they are bored. And often when we take children into adult places like restaurants or malls or things where there's not really a lot of stimulation and interaction for their age, it's very difficult to keep them occupied unless you come prepared. And in this case, the parents were trying to appease them with keys and cell phones, but 2-year-olds really don't have much interest in something that won't hold their attention longer than a few seconds. So based on that story, I'm trying to explain to you that those are the 3 major reasons that children will act out unless there's something else going on. Obviously, older children will struggle with control. Older children may struggle with not obeying because they are trying to be rebellious or disobedient, and those are deeper issues. But at the heart of it, I think children normally are pretty well behaved unless there's an issue that they are not being taken care of well. So I would encourage you, next time your child is acting out, especially if they're young, elementary school or younger, try to eliminate those 3 issues. They're hungry, they're tired, or they're bored, before you take it to the next level of discipline.